I remember songs I used to sing. It talked about love and faithful things. Then the glam caught my eye. So you should go with what feels right. But I'm not alright. No, I'm not alright. So let's just start again. Let's just start again. We're just looking for a sign, 'cause we all want to justify what we want from this life. Oh, but we're not alright. Oh, but we're not alright. Let's just start again. Let's just start again. Let's just start again. Let's just start again.
Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. We're getting the F250 ready for its first test. Now, if you're new to my channel, the last few videos we've been working on this old truck, getting it fixed up and ready for work. And my intention is to be able to haul logs with the dump trailer with it. Well, I've emptied out the trailer, taken the log arch off so I can get ready to start prepping that for painting that. And the first test for the truck is going to be a dump run. I've got a bunch of trash here on the property that I've been meaning to take to the dump, so I emptied the dump trailer. We're going to fill it up and head over to the dump. It's about probably 20-30 minutes away, so it's not, a long way away, but it'll be a good test towing with the trailer, seeing how it handles, and seeing if it holds up. It seems to be running really great. Now, I replaced the passenger and driver exhaust manifolds. I replaced all four calipers, 3 or 4 of them needed it, and I replaced the fuel filter. I've got new spark plugs, haven't put in yet, got to put those in still. And I also cleaned the mass airflow sensor, and it seems to be running like a top. So we're gonna get this thing loaded up with some trash and head to the dump in the morning.
Most of the words I write I never send. Add up to a box full of letters. Most of the notes to myself say carry on. Well, no, to self, just forget it. In my short life I've drawn a lot of short straws. I've learned a lot of hard lessons, from hospital beds and back booths to bars I was too young to be in, chasing a feeling or numbness. And if it's all a game, I guess I'm losing. If it's one big joke, then I'm a fool. And if it's all a test, I think I'm failing. What can I do? The pictures I took that summer have gone missing. Save one
It's in, but I do want to see how well this is going to clean up.
somehow. So I inked it to a place a little less revealing than the scars I still carry around. In my short life I've been a long-term witness to ruthless decisions and fiery bridges, a cycle unbroken by a third revolution. No good solution, no exit. And if it's all a part of some grand scheme, if it's all been planned out from the start, if I'm just a pawn in the arrangement I want out.
So while I had the bench seat out and before I put these in, I knew I wouldn't be able to get under the seat again for a while, so I wanted to just do a little scrubbing underneath there. And with just a little bit of scrubbing, it's amazing how clean that this already came, and this wasn't even trying to make it clean. We will be detailing this thing, and I look forward to seeing how it turns out. It's amazing how much better these seats are. I don't know if the truck these came out of were wrecked at an early age, or if there was a very light man that sat in it, but it's got so much support, I feel like I'm sitting 2 inches higher. Do you like the new seats? Well, all right, it's actually 2 days later. I ended up not going to the dump yesterday. I ended up going to the junkyard and getting some seats. So I'm sitting on some nice seats here in the front. Got captain's chairs with a jump seat console in the center. So that's making me pretty happy. It's a lot better. I feel like I'm sitting about 2 inches higher than I was with that bench seat. So we did about 120 miles in the truck yesterday. And the only issues I had on that 120 miles was 2 different times it ran just a little lean, and I had my computer hooked up to it during it, and I could see that the short-term fuel trim was going up to about 20%, which is really high. You know, it should be right around 0 to 5 to negative 5 to 5, you know, something like that, negative 3 to 3. It should be low, and it went away after a few seconds, so I don't know what caused those lean conditions, but you could feel it, you know, the truck jerking a little bit like it's missing. But again, out of 120 miles, it did that for a total of probably 10 seconds. 5 seconds on the way going, 5 seconds on the way back. So today, I would say this is about a, I don't know, 40-mile drive round trip that we're pulling the trailer. So it's loaded down pretty good right now. It's amazing the difference. You know, this engine is just slightly bigger than the engine in my LX470. And I don't know the difference between the gearing and the transmission, but it's just not an issue at all pulling this trailer. I don't feel like I am being held back or lugged down, even with this relatively small engine. It's, you know, towing very, very nice. So I'm looking forward to having this. I don't know the weight. I'll be interested to see how this compares to the last time I went to the dump. It's been a while, but I think I've still got that ticket. And I'll compare the, well, it's 2 different vehicles, so the vehicle weight will be different. So I guess I could look up online what the vehicle weight is. But I will keep you posted and let you know how it does on the trip.